This week Bitcoin path will surprise everyone. Yes, my friend, this week Bitcoin path, it will surprise everyone, and that's what we are going to discuss today. As you see, guys, that the daily candle here of Bitcoin is finished today. Bitcoin today give us here a red candle. Me I catch yesterday a short from here. Today it's making very nice money. Now what is it, the view? The view, same thing, guys. The Bitcoin here in daily, it's still in an uptrend and nothing was changed. We're still looking at that inside bar here. Nothing changed, guys. Here in daily, we're still in an uptrend. If you're looking with me at that one here, we're still in an uptrend. We haven't break it. That one here is very small uptrend and we haven't break it for us to thinking of the market is going to change. So there is nothing changed, guys. Just hold tight. It's still more green days coming. There is nothing to be worried. By the way, guys, before I continue, I want that video to reach to 100 likes. It's very simple, my friend. Down below, there is that button here. As you see it, like button. Just go click at it. And you, if you are not subscriber, same thing as you see it, guys. There is subscribe button here. Click at it like that. Click at subscribe. Turn it to all. So for not to miss any update from us. And if you want our daily swing trading, long-term investment signals, you can join our VIP Discord via Patreon, of course. The link of it is down here as you see it. The one here in the first line here. Read the disclaimer here, guys. Crypto signals are education only, not a financial advice. You need to read it. Click at that link of our Patreon here. You're going to land here in Patreon. Click at that one here. You see it here. See member option. It's going to open for you 3 member option, guys. Here we got the first one here, position. That one here is only for long term. That means there is no day trading, no swing trading, only for long term or position traders. If you want to join us, we got that one here, the VIP member. That one here is only for crypto, guys. And we got that one here, the elite member. That one is got the crypto plus the SP500 long term plus option, weekly cover calls and weekly pots. So read the description of each and every one of them. If you got any question, you can text me before you join, my friend, and I'm going to explain to you everything. Click at join, finish payment process. Inside Patreon, there is a video going to show you all the steps. Still, you're going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem to join us, you can text me and I'm going to solve it for you. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, Bitcoin here, it's still here inside the range of that inside bar, that red candle here, as you see it. We're still inside the range of it. There is nothing new. Even the uptrend, also we're still in an uptrend, guys. There is nothing changed here. So maybe that one here is just a consolidations days, like how it happened here. Maybe same thing going to happen here, then after that to give us a new high. Even that one is possible. That the weekend, guys, the market will not move to nowhere. So there is nothing to be worried about. Last Friday, like today, because you're going to see that video in Saturday, but also we filmed it in Friday when the daily candle close. Technically it's Saturday. What we said, guys, here, we said about the Bitcoin option, we came within that 2 levels here. We put the top one 124k and the down one 105k. And as you see it, Bitcoin came very closer to that 123k and couldn't break it, and now it fell down again to 118. That time when also we're recording that video, we are at 118 because the Bitcoin option, it will not allow it to break that zone there. That's what happened, guys. Now for that week, we need to put even the levels for that week. So let's go into that page where we're getting Bitcoin option levels. So let's go in there. There we are, guys. That's the page where we're getting those things. As you see, the coming Friday is going to be 25 of month 7. And as every day, as we started from in the money, we try to find the level of pots and we find the level of calls. So let's doing that together here in that video. Here we are, guys. We found that level here of 103k. The number of pots here, 13 Bitcoin. The number of calls, 0. The total volume here in that zone, $1.60 million. So that one, the first zone of us, 103k. Now let's find them for calls, and that's what we also need to focus about that week, because market is still bullish, guys. There is nothing changed, and also we're updating you every day if something going to happen. So let's see it. Here we are, guys. We found the top level here, 127k. The number of pots, 0. The number of calls, 95. The total volume here, $11 million. We got a level here at 123, at 124. The only problem based on the delta, because us we are option traders, we know what those things they saying. That way also we haven't choose 123, we choose 127, guys. So those ones the levels as we saying here, 103k and 127k. So those ones the levels for that week. Is going to be a bigger week. So let's go in there to the chart to draw it together, guys. Here we are, guys. We set the top level like that, 127k like that, and the down level we said 103k like that. So those ones the levels, guys, or the zones that Bitcoin was going to spend all week between 127k and 103k. That meant the view of Bitcoin option. Bitcoin is going to dump, guys. I told you they got here a huge number here at 124k because it's paying high premium there. That's meant the view of them, Bitcoin, it will not go more higher. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming days. That's all the things. For me personally, based on technical analysis, also we staying here in an uptrend, but the weekly candle which is going now, it's making me worried a little bit. If it closes like that, things is going to look bad, guys. And also we are ready for everything. We don't care about nothing. Not the only things we can say here. Now it's going to see Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. All is going there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Here, Bitcoin in 12 hours, it touched for us that 20 moving average here. It given us here a price action as you see it here. Now, what is it the view? Me personally, I enter a short from here because I tried to hedge my long-term position in the spot. That's what me I do every time. When I felt at the top, I try to hedge it. That's what me I do today. I enter a short as swing trading. Well, now is it in profit, but I'm going to hold it for long term. Now, if we break in here, that 20 moving average, the next stop down here, 111k. So we need to be careful, guys. Even based on volume profile, that zone where we are is a very stronger zone here. Don't worry, I'm going to tell you the levels. You need to look at them today. Let me show it to you. Levels, you need to look at them for today, guys. As you see, we got that level here, 121k, and we got that zone here, 115, 997, and we got that one here where is the 50 moving average, 111, 959. So those ones, the three levels, you need to look at them. We don't need to explain those ones because market's still far away from them. Now let's go in to see Bitcoin is doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. Here in 4 hours, me personally, as I told you, I'm still looking to enter long, and we give a long as day trading because, as I told you, me I enter a short from here and I enter a long from here. I'm going to explain to you everything here because if you're looking with me here in 4 hours, guys, and we came and we zoom it like that, what you seeing, guys, market try to give you here like a triangle. Now here you see that one here is a triangle here. So also we enter a short from here and we enter a long from here because maybe the market going to come back to test that one. Even that one it's possible. So also we are ready for everything because if that market came back above and breaking above here, it's going to give us here a pennant, and that pennant, guys, also we explained thousands of times here that a bullish sign or a continuation pattern. Maybe the market going to continue more upwards. Also we are ready for everything now. If you want to catch a shot, you can come and do something like that from that one here and that one here. Even that one is possible, guys. We got something else here in Bitcoin in 4 hours. Let me show it to you. Which is that one here, guys. That one here, why else we still looking at it, is going to dump more. Look at it. Look at the volume profile. We break in here. It's very stronger zone, and we break in the 20 and the 50 moving average. Now we came back with testing them. Let's see. Maybe the Bitcoin now going to fall down to test that 113k. Where is the 100 moving average? Then also we're going to see what's going to happen. Plus we need to look even at that one here. If the Bitcoin going to give us here that big head and shoulder, and also we showed it to you before. It was in thumbnail of one of our videos. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming hours. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. Based on our indicator, guys, as you see the touch here, that wall that the second time is getting weaker now. Let's see what's going to happen if we're going to come back above or we're going to break it out to enter to the zone where the bears they controlling. Now let's going to see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. In the Ethereum here in 4 hours, there is nothing, only that uptrend here. Market here try to show us maybe it's going to dump, but it's still very early for us to short in that Ethereum. Also, we're still waiting what's going to happen in the coming hours. If market going to give us their price action or not, but for us, as every day, we're going to see the Ethereum in daily. Let me show you those things. Here we are, guys. In the Ethereum in daily, the Ethereum will give us here a pin bar here, but we are in a very stronger zone. Now, what is it, the view? Me personally, I'm still looking at the Ethereum going to go more higher to touch for me the top of that up channel I got here in daily, guys. As you see it, the top here, is it exactly at 4,200 levels or the zones? You need to look close at them for today in the Ethereum, guys. Let me show it to you. Those was the levels. I know it's new thing here in our channel, that the first day we're doing those things. The levels, we got that zone where we are 3552. We got second level or second zone, that one here 4102 or 4102, and we got even that zone here down 3082, guys. So those was the three levels you need to look at them for today. If we break in any one of them, we're going to update you that from today we're going to start doing those things. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it giving us here a big bearish divergence here in 4 hours. Should we enter a short? Also, we still waiting, guys. Still now there is nothing, and also we still waiting. When is it the right time? We're going to update you. If you are in our Patreon, we update you more quicker. We give you the right time when to enter, where to put stop loss and take profit and those things. If you are outside waiting our videos, we're going to update you, my friend, and we show you how to draw in price action or those patterns in your chart, and you can base your trade on them. If you don't want to join us, that's up to you, my friend. Now let's go in to see the Sol or Solana we're doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the Sol here. There is nothing new here in the Sol in 4 hours. Actually, the Sol, it's still pumping, guys. It touched for us the top of that channel here. Now it changed us. Maybe it's going to dump, but those candles here, they say there is no dump, guys. That's why the market's still going above. And the Sol, in my eyes, even here in 4 hours, it's still in an uptrend. There is nothing changed. Also, we're still going above. Also, we're updating people with us every 4 hours about the trend. If it changed, if it's not. Even you can benefit from those things, my friend. There is a lot of educational content inside our Patreon. You're going to be a pro trader if you decide to join us. But it's up to you. We got something else here in the Sol in daily, guys. Let me show it to you. Here we are, guys, in the Sol here in daily, same thing. Look at it. Look at that double bottom me I showed you before. You remember it? I told you we got here a big double bottom. If we break it, we are going back to the top here. Well, now the Sol is showing to us a big resistance there, so we need to wait till it's getting broke. The levels or zones, you need to look close at them for today. Even for the Sol, guys, we started making those things here. Same thing, that zone where we are here at 171. We got that one here, 194, and we got that one above here, 218. So those ones, the three levels, guys. If we break in any one of them, we're going to updating you every day. That's what we will do from today. Now we're going to see our indicator what it's saying today here in the Sol. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, very clear bearish divergence here. Short, also we enter a short. Me, I told you, also we still in an uptrend, and even here it's telling us also we still in a very uptrend here. But if market give us here a price action indicating the market is going to dump, also we're going to enter a short. That's what also we're doing every time, guys, and we're catching very nice trades in that Sol. Now let's go into see the XRP or Ripple we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the XRP here or Ripple. There is nothing new. We still have here a very sharp uptrend here in 4 hours, and maybe the market going to do the same thing here. But there is nothing to analyze here in the XRP in 4 hours. So let's go into the daily to see what XRP doing today in daily. Here we are, guys. Even here in the XRP in daily, it give us here a pin bar in daily here, indicating the market found a very stronger resistance from the top. So the levels or zones, you need to look close at them for today. Let me show it to you. As you see it, guys, that zone where we are or where we touch today, 3.40, you need to look close at it. We got that zone above here, 3.99, and we got that zone down here, 2.93. Those was the three stronger zones. You need to look close at them for today here in that XRP. Now let's go into see our indicator what it's saying today here in XRP. Our indicator, guys, same thing. Look at that big bearish divergence here. Shall we enter a short? I told you, also we still waiting a price action to confirm that for us, because it's happened a bearish divergence thousands of times and the market doesn't dump. I can show you one here. Look at it, guys. That's a bearish divergence. A market doesn't follow it. That's why me, I don't follow indicators. Based on the indicator, based on the chart, also we staying here all in an uptrend. There is nothing changed. So I think I explained everything here about the XRP. Now it's going to see Bitcoin we're doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 30 minutes, guys. Here in Bitcoin in 30 minutes, we show you that one here. It's breaking here. Also already we got a short from here. That way also we haven't give a day trading signals. We give the people the following us along from here till above here. Now here what we do, we gave them a long from here after it's breaking here, that uptrend here. Now we waited it to go back to hit the first target, because the Bitcoin now it's look like is it very sideways here. Look at it, guys. It got here a consolidation zone, so maybe it's going to come back again to touch that zone here. Then from here going to dump again. That's what the market look like, guys. We need to close that weekly green, guys. If we close it red, the Bitcoin is going to dump, so you need to be careful. If you want to be updated the right time when it's breaking, when is it the right time to enter, where we put a stop loss, take profit, and all those things. You want more educational content, my friend. Is not only about when you enter, how you manage your trade, a lot of things. You can join our VIP Discord if you want to keep just learning like that from our analysis. Here it is, YouTube. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, it gives us here a small bullish divergence here, as you see it here, and also we've been waiting when it's breaking here, that uptrend here, we enter along. That's what us we doing every time, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. And please, guys, if you like our content and you like our videos, make sure to smash the like button, write down a comment, and if it's possible, share that video in any social media platform you like. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.